I love having beef tallow on hand. The versatility of it is amazing. You can make candles, you can make all kinds of stuff, but for us, we like to cook with it. And today, I'm gonna show you how to make your own beef tallow. As expensive as beef brisket is these days, it's a shame to throw away those trimmings. I mean, I'm guilty of it, I've done it, but here over the last year or so, I've been saving them and making beef tallow, and it has been worth it. Don't throw away money. Keep your beef trimmings. Here we have 7 pounds of beef brisket trimmings. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these trimmings from the pot. All right, so let's cut these up into little bits. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just so that it renders easy. Quicker, I guess, is what I should say. And if you have any beef that's left over on there, like that piece right there, just take that off. Set that off to the side. All right, now that we've got that all trimmed up, just put it back in the pot. Okay, I'm gonna take this in to wash it. All right, here we go. So that's what we have left. I had to discard some of the pieces that have beef on them still. So let's get the old gas grill fired up. Okay, we're gonna fire up the old blaze. Now some people will do smoked beef tallow, and that's quite all right. I just want this to have more of a, just a cleaner taste, in case I use it for eggs or something like that. All right, we got that guy fired up. We got it on high. All right, let's stick it right on there. Again, we're on high. Okay, we're gonna add a cup of water. Next, we'll add kosher salt. This is gonna help draw out some moisture from the fat. Turn down to medium high. Cover it up. And we'll be back in about 2 hours. Okay, so our beef brisket fat has been simmering for a little over 2 hours. About 30 minutes ago, I turned the grill off, so let's take a look and see what we got. All right, still pretty warm. As you can see, that's all cooked down. As you can see there, we got some crunchy bits. So that's all that fat that's rendered down. It's dripping out, so let's get to work. Okay, we got a bowl and we have a strainer here, so we're just gonna put that right over the top. And we're gonna take these bits out, off to the side. I've never tried eating those things. I don't know if they're any good or not. You might put some salt on them and try it and see what it tastes like, but it doesn't look too good to me. It's not the same as cracklings from pork. Or maybe it is, I don't know. Like I said, I've never tried it. Okay, we got all those cracklings out. Now we do have some little bits and pieces, so we're gonna get a paper towel and put over top of that and try to catch all that stuff. All right, just stuff that down in there. Now for this part, you could use a cheesecloth. I don't happen to have any, so we're rolling with what we got. All right, I'd recommend going kind of slow so you don't splash any of this. Let that catch up. It's doing a good job. You can see the tallow dripping down right there. Let's pour a little more in there. All right. Okay, I think we're good, so let's remove this. Get that little bit that's left. Okay, we'll call that good. All right, so next I have one of these little mason jars. This is 1.5 cups. You can buy them bigger, but that's what we had available, so that's what we got. We'll pour slowly. There's a 1.5 cups right there. And there you have it, liquid gold. Next jar. Perfect. Can't beat it. So once I refrigerate this, it's gonna turn kind of like Crisco. Like if you've ever gotten a tub of Crisco, it's pretty much the same thing. So if you're frying chicken or you're about to cook on your griddle, throw some of that down on there. It's gonna be fantastic. Hey, if you like what you saw today, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's gonna help us out a lot, and we appreciate it. We'll see you next time.